Old time people always say, save for rainy day. So I'll be saving my money in this bank for rainy day. And even though it rain every day, I still never take out the money out there. So the bank is broken and I found a new bank to deposit my money. So I'm gonna take out my money from that old bank and put it in my new bank. Cause even though I'm saving for rainy day and it rain every day, I tell myself, say, I not take out my money out of the bank there until a hurricane. So come with me to deposit my money in my new bank. So this is my old bank. I don't know what happened, but the bank is broken and all of my money all over the place. So I'm gonna transfer my money from this old bank and put it in a new bank. So I'm saving all my money in this bank here for rainy day. And even though it rain every day, I tell myself, say, I'm not take out my money out of the bank here until me have like hurricane, something like Hurricane Gilbert or Hurricane Sandy. Because I've been saving my money in, you know, the big blue water bottle them, like where you put on the water fountain. I usually save my money in the buckle there, and when them broke in my house, then take up the whole thing, and I had to start all over. So today I'm gonna transfer. It's heavy, you know. I whole heap of kind in it, and some singles, and I see a $5. So today I'm gonna transfer all of my money from this bank to the new bank. So this is my new bank, guys. It's the same branch, the plastic branch, but this one is a bigger bank. So I'm gonna transfer all of my money from the small bank and put it in this big bank right here. Since that bank is broken, I'm gonna want to come take my money because I don't understand why they had all my money scattered all over the place. So let's transfer all this money from this bank to this bank. Here we go. Put the paper money them on top. I want to singles, you know. There's the singles over here, so too. Only for singles in here, so I'm gonna take out all of the paper money them and just throw the coins them. Throw the coin them at the bottom. Alright. See that the back broke. Oh shit. The back is broken, so I'm gonna throw it all of them from out here. So in yes. Yeah, that's a big transfer. I'm gonna have all of my dollar them. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, and 5. That's a $41 right here. And then we still have a whole lot over there. All of these just scrape up off of the floor and put it in the bank. See there, that's all of the coins. That's a big transfer, and now we have the paper one then to put in there. Yes. So that's it. This one look a bit bigger. Money transfer.